Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. I am very happy to announce that we are starting with a fresh new CA Inter batch May 2027 attempt. Yes, ये बैच वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जिन्होंने अभी अभी अपना CA फाउंडेशन का अटेम्प्ट दिया है May 2026 में and they are waiting for their results. This is something that we have been doing for the last 10 years. हमेशा CA फाउंडेशन रिजल्ट से ठीक 15 to 20 days before we start with our introductory demo lectures. इससे होता यह है कि स्टूडेंट्स को अपने सीए फाउंडेशन के रिजल्ट से पहले सीए इंटर करिकुलम क्या है, क्या सब्जेक्ट्स है, क्या सिलेबस है, कैसे हमारा जर्नी रहेगा, पढ़ने का जो अप्रोच है वो कितना डिफरेंट है, कितना अलग है, ये एक बहुत ट्रांसपेरेंट मैनर में एक आइडिया आ जाता है. फॉर अ वीक वी विल बी फोकसिंग ऑन एडवांस अकाउंट्स. For second week, we will be focusing on cost accounting subject. For the third week, we will be focusing on FM subject. This is how I have planned that over a period of 3 weeks, we will be targeting 3 subjects. And so that you have a clear idea as to the curriculum, as to the syllabus and gain some confidence. To register for these introductory demo lectures, you need to WhatsApp us 4 details. Your name, your mobile number, your email ID and the name of the coaching institute from where you have done your CA foundation classes. The batch starts on 11th of June, Thursday. 11th of June, Thursday, and the timings are 9:30 to 11:30. हम लोग डेली 2 घंटा CA इंटर का बैच लेंगे आपके रिजल्ट्स तक. Either you can visit office before 11th of June with or without your parents, guardians. We can meet, we can discuss, I can share all the details, whatever you require, or we can directly meet on a day 1. On a day 1, I will be sharing you every detail with respect to कौन से क्या subjects हैं, क्या faculties है, क्या online है, क्या offline है, कैसे पढ़ना है, कैसे test होगा, क्या regular timings रहेंगे, what will be the start date, what will be the end date, post completion क्या करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे. I will share everything with you on day 1. Right? So meet you on 11th of June for the introductory demo lectures for CA Inter May 2027 batch. Make sure that you register once you send us the details on our office WhatsApp number, which is 876-7788-793. Make sure that you note this number and WhatsApp your details. Once you send us the details, we will register you for the introductory demo lectures and then we can start from day 1. Right? So meet you on 11th of June. Make sure that you carry 250 plus pager register, a calculator and a 3-color pen, that is red, blue, black. Right? So meet you on 11th of June. That's it from my side. Bye-bye.